For Pro Veterans category, on the list, we have 8 riders. We have JB Bacabak, Glenn Aguilar, Jay Ocavan, Kenneth Valleza, Tiboy Soresca, Arnil Lacnet, Juminil Abilyar, and Tata Kalingasyon. Here we go! The red plate number 1, Glenn Aguilar on the grid. Number 63, sino to? That's JB Bacabak on the yellow bike 567 of Iloilo, leading, followed by Glenn Aguilar. Kinuha agad. Naku. Simpleng-simple. Kinuha ni Idol agad Glenn Aguilar over JB Bacabak. Hindi pa po tayo nakakatapos ng first lap. That's how easy it is for the legend to take the lead right away. Half of the lap. There you go. The red plate, number 1, Glenn Aguilar. Kakadaan lang, followed by JB Bacabak. Followed by number 63, Ocavan on third. Sino number 63? Sino kaya ito number 63? Riding a 2-stroke bike. Saludo sa iyo, sir. To be honest, I have a high respect on a rider riding a 2-stroke bike. Nako, that bike is so hirap para para paamuhin. Sino kaya to? Hopefully somebody could share kung sino nasa 2-stroke engine natin. Number 63, pakipost na lang po sa ating Pasig City LGU Facebook page. Still leading pa rin Glenn Aguilar. As you can see, every minute or every second, lumalaki ang lamang niya over the second position, JB Bacabak of Iloilo City. There you go, Glenn Aguilar. Umiiling pa. Mukhang gusto niya pa. Bacabak second. 2-stroke bike, third. Ocavan, fourth. In fairness, dikit-dikit po ang 1, 2, 3, 4 position natin. Glenn Aguilar is taking things slow. Safe race po tayo sa mga veterans natin. Nakuha ni Ocavan ang naka 2-stroke. Again, high respect on the 2-stroke rider. Ako, ang hirap niyan. Ang hirap dalhin niyan. Ako, hindi nagbibiro si JB Bacabak. Lumalapit kay legendary Glenn Aguilar. I'm pretty sure Glenn Aguilar knowingly on the sideways, pag lumiko siya, nakikita niya JB Bacabak nasa likod lang. Very relaxed ang ating legend. There you go, kakadaan lang dito sa stage. Glenn Aguilar followed by JB Bacabak. Third po natin, Jay Ocavan of Barotac. 1, 2, 3, 4 riders natin. Magkakasama pa rin. Glenn Aguilar, smooth sailing. On the screen right now, as you can see, ito po ang ating 1, 2, 3, 4 riders. That's Glenn Aguilar, your legend. Red plate number 1. And also, JB Bacabak, red plate 567. JB Bacabak, naku, hinahunting ng younger Jay Ocavan. Nako, nasa likod lang. Eto na! Bakit bumagal si Glenn Aguilar on that roller section? Nagkamali ba? O may problema sa bike? Let's see. We now have a new lead. That's JB Bacabak 567 of Iloilo City. Eto na, kakadaan lang. Followed by Jay Ocavan of Barotac. 2-stroke bike. Nako, saludo sa iyo, sir. Paano mo napapaamo yung 2-stroke na yan? Glenn Aguilar on the 4th position. I think we are having an engine problem with Glenn Aguilar's bike. Pero ayaw pumayag. 4th position pa rin. Battling it out with the younger riders on the front. Nako, ano yun? JB Macabak, meron tayo nakikitang yellow flag. We have a new leader, that's J.O. Caban. Oy! Whip! Meron na tayong showtime from that two-stroke guy. There you go. Kahit nag-slow down si JB, currently sitting on third position, nasa likod lang niya, Glenn Aguilar. Glenn Aguilar taking it slow. I'm suspecting a bike problem. Battling that roller section. Mukhang okay pa rin. There you go! Duelo ito! J.O. Caban versus the two-stroke guy. Nako, highly respect to this two-stroke rider natin. Pwede po kayo mag-comment sa ating Facebook page, LGU Pasig City. Pa-share naman kung sino po ang two-stroke rider natin. Nangunguna, J.O. Caban o Barotac. Ninanakaw pa rin kay J.O. Caban. Ang posisyon na yan, J.O. Caban, may hangin pa kaya? JB Macabak on third position. Medyo bumibilis uli. Glenn Aguilar. Lumabas na ang white flag. Kakapasok lang. White flag na po. Minutes say last lap. Here we go. On the screen right now, you can see our leader, J.O. Caban. Ayaw pumayag na naka two-stroke. Respect for the two-stroke rider. J.O. Caban na lead. Kakadaan lang on the stage area. Clearing that triple. Remember guys, oy! Ayaw pumayag ng legend natin. Naka-regain na ba? Naka-regain na ba? Glenn Aguilar. Kinuha ang third position from JB Macabak. We have now J.O. Caban on the lead. Medyo relaxing na ang lamang niya over the two-stroke guy. Nako! Eto na sinasabi ko! Nagrereklamo Glenn Aguilar. Bike problem. Checkered flag by J.O. Caban o Barotac Nuevo. Number 63 guy. Respect to you, sir, riding that two-stroke. Followed by JB Macabak third. Glenn Aguilar. Nako, umandar uli. Bike problem talaga. So, confirmed. We have a problem on the bike of our legend, Glenn Aguilar. Still, respect pa rin. Finishing or taking that checkered flag on the first moto for the third Stephen Palmares motocross competition.